Welcome everyone, hoping you're having a nice day. In this video I'm going to be showing how to mine Shib Inu. Today we're in a bit of a dip, down 21%, but it was just yesterday we had the all-time high. And yes, it dipped down today, but it may come back up. So this is what everybody's doing. This is speculative mining. And this is how we mine Shib Inu. Basically, you use Unminable. So if we go over to Unminable, this is their page. And there's a bunch of different coins you can use. You got Shib, you got Solana, you got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, all kinds of different ones. Pancake swaps near the top. You got Dogecoin right here. You got a bunch of down through here. Let's see here. I see Litecoin. Litecoin's here. You got Monero down here. Stellar. You got Ripple here. There's a bunch of different coins through here that you can do. So this video is on Shib Inu, which is here. So what we'll do is we'll click on it because we'll need this page for a lot of your information. Now, this gives you your miners that you can use. Now, Team Red Miner does work because I am using it. But in this laptop I have that we're on right now, it is a NVIDIA 2060. So I'll need T-Rex Miner. So to download T-Rex Miner, you just click here. And it'll take you over to your T-Rex. Now, you may need to disable Windows antivirus or whatever antivirus you have in order to download this file, because it'll pick it up as a virus, like it picks up all mining software. So you go in and disable it, and you click that file. So once you download that file, which I already have done it, and it is, whoops, don't need that file up. It is right here. And all you do is open that up. And what I do is you pick one of them, because in order to mine to go into Shib, you're actually going to mine Ethereum, and Unminable switches it over and pays you in Shib. So that's how you were going to end up doing it. So I picked out one of these Ethereum bat files. I used this one here. And all you do is right click onto it and go in and edit the file. And it brings up this file here. And I've already edited this one, but I'll show you what you need to do. So basically, you'll take, and you're going to be mining with T-Rex. You're going to be mining Ethereum, so you put this here. And then you'll go back over to here. Go back over to Unminable. And it says right here, Shib, your address, and your worker name. So we'll have to keep that in mind. But what we'll first do is I manually set mine up, but you can use the global server, or you can go right here and pick out the East Coast or Canada or Europe, wherever you're from. There's even an Asia one down a little farther, but I'm on the East Coast of US, so I'll grab that one. And you put it right here. This is what you put in. usunminable.com 333. That gets that part done. Now you come back over here to Shib, and you'll have to set up a wallet, which I used Coinbase. You can use whatever you want to. There's a whole bunch of different ones to set up your wallet. Once you set up your wallet, you'll come back over here and type SHIB, and then here's your wallet name, and here's my worker name. And that was where I was showing you on this page. I'll scroll down here. Shib, your wallet address, and then your worker name. And that gets it all in here. Okay, you can put the password as X, and then that's all you need. So you end up saving that file. Click here, click save, which I've already saved it. So once you've done that, you just come back over here to your T-Rex folder, find the one you edited, and double click on it, and it'll start it up. And here's mine that's running. Give it a second, and you'll see how it's propagating down through. Here it's starting it up. So it's going to be propagating and going through, mining the Shib. Well, because I'm on my laptop at the moment, I'm going to shut that off. I'll go back to it. But once you get mining and it's propagating a while, you go in here and you put your Shib address, or your wallet address, sorry, right here. And it can check your status, which I've got one right here. And this is my status. Shows my status work, what it's been running. And of course, I've been running it for a couple days, so this is what it would be. And it shows your workers, what you're making out through, what you're mining. And this one's on 3 NVIDIA cards that have more than 8 gigs of RAM to them. So I'm running Ethereum. If you're only smaller cards, or older cards that had only 4 gig to them, you can run Ethereum Classic or Kapow. Or if you wanted to do CPU mining, you have your RandomX. And I'll show you how to set up your RandomX here in a little bit. So that gets you through that one. And there's kinds of different coins you can start with. And it may take about 5 minutes for this to propagate through once you start your miner up and once you get going. And it pays out every 1.5 million Shib. And it'll pay that out. If you're that high, it'll pay out every 12 hours. Once you've reached that amount, it'll pay you out. Then you have to wait to reach that amount again, if you have this turned on. I have it turned off. I'll just keep an eye on it. Once I reach over that, you can do a manual payout here and pay it out to your wallet. Now, you can do this on Hive also, in Hive Os. And this is a miner I have set up onto it. And all 3 are on Shib. Here is Team Red for my AMD cards. I have 5 of them going. Here's the CPU. Of course, there's only 1 thread to that. And here's my T-Rex. And that's 3 NVIDIA cards. Now, this is my settings for them. And they seem to be mining just fine. And I'll show you how to do this. The first step would be to go back out to your farm and go over to wallet. And you want to set up your wallet. And what you'll do is click add wallet. Type a coin. And here you want to add, I have Shib already made, but you can type in SHIB up top and it will create it. There's no icon. It's always going to be a little circle. And then here's your wallet address. That one right here. Here's your wallet address, which I already put in one right here. So I'll just copy that. I'll go back over here and paste it here. I can name the wallet. You can name it whatever you want. I put Shib wallet test for this one. And hit create. Now here's my Shib wallet, the very bottom one that I just created. Shib wallet test. Then you can go up here to flight sheet. And it'll pop up add a new flight sheet. So what do you want is you want your Shib that you just created. You want your Shib wallet, which is Shib wallet test. In the pool, we want configure and miner. And being this one, I can set up as my AMD cards. I'll scroll down here to Team Red Miner. And you want to add another miner. Being I'm going to do NVIDIA, AMD, and the CPU all in the same rig. I'm going to go here for Shib again. Of course, I'm going to go to the Shib test wallet. Then go configure and miner. And this is for the NVIDIA cards. So I go down here to T-Rex miner. And being I'm going to do the CPU also, I'll add another miner. Go back through here again, hit Shib, hit the wallet test, configure in miner. Now this one would be XMR or XMRig, and I want the new one, which is down here farther, right here. Okay, now there's all three of them. Now all we need to do is set up the miners. First, you go into your miner, you select your algorithm, which you're going to be doing, which is, in this case, they're all 580, 8 gigs, so I'm going to be running Ethereum. Now, your worker and wallet template, you have to put SHIB : and then you put wallet worker name. Password will be X. And the pool, we'll go back over here to Unminable. And we'll come down here to the East Coast one. That's the one we want. We'll come back over here to Unminable because that's where I'm at, East Coast. And I will paste it. Now this one is all done. You can hit apply changes. Now T-Rex miner, we want the same algorithm, Ethereum. We want wallet address, would still be SHIB, B : and we'll hit wallet, hit our period, and go down to worker name. And then our pool is the same as what we had before, right there. And we're all done in this one. Hit apply changes. Now, your CPU is a little different. So we'll go in here, and the algorithm is at random. It's down here near the bottom. Random X XMR. That's what we want. Click on that. Wallet template would still be SHIB : and you'd have wallet worker name. Password is still going to be X. CPU huge pages, I usually turn that on. CPU configuration, hit that. Here's where we're different. The pool address. We'll go back over here to Unminable. And being we're doing CPU, we'll go here, click on that. And I'm going to manually set it up, and I'm on the East Coast. So this is the one I want. So click on that. Take it back over here. Paste it. And now this one's all ready to go. Hit apply changes. Now this can go, and it's all done. You hit create flight sheet. Now the flight sheet's all done. Now you'll go back over to your worker. Click on the worker to get back in. Now to apply the flight sheet that you just created, you hit flight sheets. Now this is the one I have already set up. This is my wallet address here, and another wallet address I have. I have the NVIDIA going to another wallet address, the AMD and the CPUs going to a wallet address. Basically the same settings that I just showed you in the one I have. I'll go in and show you. Team Red Miner. That's our Ethereum. Here's our worker and wallet template. Here's our pool that we're running. And password. Here's our T-Rex miner. Our Ethereum. Our wallet address. Our pool that we're running to. Password. And that's all we need in here. And our CPU is here. I have CPU turned on. I might have forgot to show that step in the last one. but I shouldn't turn the CPU on. I have CPU configuration up here. I have pool URL, password, pool CPU huge pages, wallet template, and hash algorithm. You do not need these two here. They just happen to be up at the moment. You do not need them. And you hit apply changes. And I will scroll down and find, this is the one we created earlier. I'll go in and I'll show you it's the same settings. Here's our Ethereum, our worker name, worker and wallet template, sorry. Our pool URL, password, that one's correct. We'll go to here to Team Red Miner, or T-Rex Miner, sorry. Here's our Ethereum. Here's our wallet template. Here's our pool. Password should be X. And we're all done in here. And then our CPU mining is here. And yes, I did forget to put the CPU on, so I'll turn that on now. Here's our CPU configuration. Here's our pool URL, password, the huge pages. Here's the wallet template and hash algorithm. And you can hit apply changes. And when you're, that's just to show you, and I'm hitting update to show that it's all done. When this is the one that we just set up, you can send it to the moon and engage it, and it will be up and running. And it should be running just like this one is. I'll go back over my overview. And this is my overview showing this is what my hash rates are, my temperatures, and these are running great. Now to go back over to Unminable, and this shows the cards that I'm running. And this is the NVIDIA cards that I'm running. And it shows these NVIDIA cards. That's the balance I have going to that wallet. And this shows the AMD cards, and they're running Ethereum. And if I click on Random X, it'll take me over. This is showing my CPU information. And that's what the CPU is doing. And that shows my balance of that. Now, if I wanted my payout, once I reach the 1.5 million, you hit your payout here. If you go into payments, it shows payments that you've gotten before. That's one I've gotten before. You go over here to stats. It shows your stats on what you're doing. So you can keep track of it. But that's how we do Unminable. And that's how I record it all. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and the subscribe. And on your way out, give me a thumbs up. And as you can see, I'm also on Buy Me a Coffee down here. This is another way of supporting my channel. Helps me get some more content for you guys and helps improve some content. So I will see you. And if you've actually mined this and you've enjoyed it, comment below. Let me know. And I'll get back to you. Or I usually comment back on any of the comments. But let me know how you've made out with it. So, all right. Thank you for watching.